Want picnic? Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Let's learn the alphabet Jamaican style.
A Aki.
A is for Aki, Jamaica's national fruit. B Bammy. B is for Bammy. C Coconut. C is for coconut. D Dumpling. D is for dumpling. E Escovitch. E is for escovitch fish. F Fritters. F is for fritters. G Goat. G is for goat. Stir the pot. H Hard-dough bread. H is for hard-dough bread. I is for ice. J Jerk chicken. J is for jerk chicken. K Kisco. K is for Kisco, a popular Jamaican snack. L Lamp. L is for lamp. M Mango. M is for mango, a popular Jamaican fruit. N Nanny. N is for Nanny, a national hero of Jamaica. O Oxtail. O is for oxtail. P Patty. Patty is a popular Jamaican snack. We love it. Q Quadrille. Q is for quadrille, a traditional Jamaican dance. R Rice and peas. R is for rice and peas. We eat it every Sunday. S Saltfish. S is for saltfish. T Tamarind. T is for tamarind, a popular Jamaican fruit. V. Veranda. V is for veranda. W. Watermelon. W is for watermelon. X. Jamaica. X is for Jamaica. The name. Y. Yo-yo. Kids love to play yo-yo. Z. Zoo. Z is for zoo. Join me again next time.